boy Dora.
I'm Boots.
Are you ready to have some fun?
Great.
Vamonos! Today we're gonna find infinity! But we don't know where infinity is. Who do we ask when we don't know which way to go? The map!
I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map!
If you want to get to infinity, you'll first have to go to the one-sided vine. Then you have to go to the flat river. And then you have to go to Whole Canyon.
Hey, look, it's a vine tree!
It's f of x.
But now we have to find the limit. But what's the limit?
Dude, I got you, bro. Power Rangers, activate. Oh, hi. I'm Boots. Now, what would the limit of f of 7 be? We can still say that the limit of f of 7 is 1. So while the value of f of 7 might be 5, the actual limit of f of 7 would be 1.
Now that we know what a limit is, we need to find the one-sided limit. But I still don't know what a one-sided limit is.
I'm Swiper the Fox, and I can tell you what a one-sided limit is, because I know that you'll never be able to get it.
Oh!
We have limit as x approaches 4 from the right-hand side. Over here, we have limit as x approaches 4 from the left-hand side. So we're going to do the same thing, except with these different values. Now, we're going to have to be as close to 4 as possible. So from the right-hand side, the closest you can get is 4.000000000000001. And from the left-hand side, it's 3.999999999999999. Okay, so we're going to have to plug that in for x for each of these. Let's start. And don't worry about the numerator because it doesn't really matter. Only the denominator can affect like everything. So if this is evaluated to 0, then it's undefined. So you can't do that. So only plug in 4.0000001 and 3.9999999 for the denominator x. Over here. In this case, this is positive infinity, this is negative infinity, and they're not equal. Therefore, the limit of this, as x approaches 4, does not exist. And that's how you do one-sided limits.
Now that we're done with that, where do we go next?
We need to go to the flat river to find limits at infinity.
What are limits at infinity? I know! Power Rangers, activate! Oh!
Limits at infinity are values that a function approaches forever, and on a graph of a function, they are represented by the horizontal asymptotes of the graph. Divide every term in the function by the highest power of x in the denominator. So here, it's x squared. So you divide every term by x squared. When you have a constant, c, over x to a power, any power, r, then this whole thing becomes 0. So this becomes 0, and this becomes 0, and this also becomes 0. You're left with, you have 0 plus 0, that's 0. You have 1 minus 0, that's 1. So you have 0 minus 1, 0 over 1, which equals 0.
We're at the flat river. Oh, function! How do we cross this?
Oh, you piece of wise function.
Oh. Come on, guys.
Dude, I just drank some of that flat river water. Delicious. Anyways, where are you guys headed?
We need to find the limits at infinity.
Dude, f of u, that's where we just were.
Function of you!
Okay, if you want to reach infinity, you have to jump off of this cliff.
What are
Here,
you?
Well, that looks like fun. To infinity and beyond! We found infinity!
Oh my god! Big whoop!
I actually know the subject! Woohoo! Infinite limit is a limit in which as x approaches a number, x starts increasing faster and faster and heads towards infinity without ever stopping. Now let's look at some problems on the board. Hi guys! Limit as x approaches 1 from the negative side of x squared minus 3x over x minus 1. Alright, let's do this. So, as it approaches 1, x squared minus 3x would approach 1 squared, negative 1. And as it approaches this, it would approach 0. But, since it's approaching it from the negative side, it will be getting closer and closer to 0 in a negative way. And negative divided by negative is positive. So this would be infinity! On the other hand, this all same way x squared minus 3x, this approaches negative 1. But this approaches 0 from the positive side. And negative over positive is negative. So this is negative infinity. And that is all you need to know about infinite limits. Explorer Dora, adios. Oh my god, it's the limit! Yeah!
What the fuck? Say happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. What the fuck? Say
That was a great adventure. What was your favorite part? I like that too. My favorite part was when we found the limit.
My favorite part was when we found the limit too.
What limit?
That
limit!
Yeah, that
Yeah,
limit.
that limit.
Hey guys, I have a question. Like, you know when like one-sided limits, even though I'm the one who did it, like I still forgot. Like, would the answer be like positive and negative infinity?
That limit don't exist, girl. I know you want that 8.
Ah.
Well, thank you for watching.
Adios!
Adios till next
Adios!
time.
Till next
To
time.
infinity and
To
beyond.
infinity and beyond! Oh,